Clear for takeoff, runway 22. Thrust set. Check. Stop. That's through 40 knots now. Parking brake set. Cabin crew at stations, cabin crew at stations. Mayday, 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 call sign 123. Stopping on the runway due to engine fire, standby. Restate malfunction. So we got an engine fire, engine number 1. That's confirmed. Memory items for engine, severe damage, fire, separation. Auto throttle, if engage, disengage, disengage. Thrust lever number 1, confirm close, confirm close. Engine start lever, engine number 1, confirm cutoff, confirm cutoff. Engine fire switch, engine number 1, confirm pull, pull. If illuminated, rotate to the stop and hold for 1 second. Is the case, bottles discharged. Start timing. Okay, so let's get some external information, gather some information. So can we see anything? No smoke or is seen at the moment. Actually, to my left I can start to see smoke. So ATC, they're going to be not much help as we're in LVOs. And call sign 123 to fire 1. Can you see anything? Yeah, we can see smoke and fire on the left side of the aircraft. And cabin crew, call them if appropriate. So is the cabin safe and stable? Will it remain safe and stable? If any of the answers are no, recommended evacuation. So we do gather information and we believe that an evacuation is recommended because we've got an answer which is no. So QRH for evacuation. QRH for evacuation. Condition, an evacuation is needed. Parking brake set, set. Speed brake lever down, down. Flap lever 40, 40. Pressurization mode selector to manual, manual. Green light. Outflow valve, hold in open until the outflow valve indication shows fully open to depressurize the aeroplane. And it is fully open. If time allows, verify that the flaps are 40 before the engine start levers are moved to cutoff. 40, green light. Engine start levers both cutoff. Cutoff. Advise the cabin to evacuate. Attention, attention, this is captain. Evacuate, evacuate. Attention, attention, this is captain. Evacuate, evacuate. Advise ATC. Mayday, call sign 123. Evacuating on the runway due to an engine fire. And engine and APU fire switches all override and pull. All override and pull. If an engine or APU fire warning is observed or indicated, related fire switch, rotate to stop and hold for 1 second. So let's imagine that this light is still illuminated. So rotate to stop, hold for 1 second. Bottles discharged. We've still got a fire. Let's get out. So end of evacuation checklist, and I'll take the load sheet, no tox, pull the cockpit voice recorder, have a look to see if the passengers are evacuating. They're not at the moment, but the simulator would open them, and let's get out, assist with the evacuation.